Heidi ho, how are we all doing today? Well, that was Easter. No more chocky for me, thank you. No more chocky. I've had enough chocky to last me a lifetime. Or until next Easter. Hope you all had a good one. And all my little friends have been put away until next year, if we're all still here. Hopefully we are. Right. Today I'm going to do a €1 coin. This is the money before the sad euro turned up in Finland. I haven't done one of these for a while, so I thought, well, why not? Right, first of all, let's bang a hole in it. Yeah, that's right. Make sure I've got the right one in. Done that a few times. Right, there we go. This is Big Bertha. Oh, she's really leaking bad today. Yeah, she's bad today. Look at that, oil everywhere. Someone said you can renew the seals in these things. I'll have to look into it. I'll have to look into it, yeah, sure. Yeah, of course you will. Cloudy old day today, but very, very warm. Or very close, as they call it. Right, let's break out the one and only. Here he is. This is Christy Burr, Mighty Burring Tool. It just cleans up the edge. Okie dokie, that's pretty good. Oh. So, oh, we'll go with this side, shall we? It's got the date on it. 1969. That's the year of the moon landing, isn't it? And also the year the UK left the decimal system and went to the new money. Right. First of all, we want to fold this puppy. Oh, it's still bloody hot. Yeah, that's good enough. Down, down. Have you got anything you'd like me to make for you? Or things for me to try for you? Or suggestions, or, you know, anything like that? I'll definitely give it a go for you. This is my 1-ton arbor press. Called Big Red. Why is he called Big Red? I have no idea. What do you call a deer with no eyes? No idea. Another film question for you, you film buffs out there. Steve, you was quick off the draw with that one. Right, Stevie boy, what's this one? Okay. What movie was that in? Right, let's get a bit of get a bit of kitchen roll. I'll go over to Mr. Proud as ever, Mr. Spike. I need to tighten up my camera holder again. Where is it? There you go. After a while it starts getting loose and flopping around all over the place. use the kitchen roll to stop the ring from splitting, and also it keeps you from losing the text on the inside of the ring. Let's give it a bit more, a bit more, a bit more. I think it needs a bit more love with burning. I want to thank my latest subscribers. If you're new to the channel, there's a little red button bottom right hand corner of the video, hit that. And things happen. I don't know what happens, but something happens. Right. I guess we could go back over again to Spiky. This isn't for anybody in particular. You can check out my shop. It's in the description below. It's yourfingermyring.com. It's not just rings in there. There's earrings, stud earrings, dangle earrings, bracelets, key fobs. Right. The last bit of love with this one, I think. That should do. So now we just want to straighten the walls up. So the bow's out of it. So we go over to the bottom end of Spike. There he is. And there's a little bit there. Hey, I think they've done the job first time. Walls are nice and straight. There's a bit of a lip inside which we want to get rid of. That's good. I do custom orders. You can even send me your own ring, coins. Send me your own ring. I also do wedding bands for people. I've made wedding bands for a couple. They loved them. This is Kate Bush. She just cleans up the, it's just like very fine steel wool. Doesn't scratch it. A bit more volume would be good. There you go. Still got the date on it. 1969. Right, let's polish it up a bit. I mean, that's called the Edwin look. If you like, if you prefer that look, I can always, there it is. Go over it again with Kate Bush. Right, what we got? Getting a bit warm already. Ouch. That was super hot. Clean off the old mingers. And what have we got? What have we got? Yeah, I enjoyed the Easter videos. I thought it was a bit different. I think there's a couple of things coming up in Finland. Midnight Summer's a big one. I think there's something before that. I'll have to check. Right. Try and find a cleaner bit of the cloth. Here we go. Yeah, it's come up nice. There you go, folks. A 1969 Finnish Markka coin ring. What size we got? A bloody magnet here. Sticking to everything. You always measure. From the reeded side, this is milled. So you still got the text around there. Suomi, Finland. And this is the size on my Yankee Doodle magic wand, size 9. I can go bigger, I can go smaller. Thanks for watching. Fits this finger perfectly. And I'll catch you all tomorrow. So bye bye.